So here is a tomatillo plant. This is like a Mexican tomato, and I love these. These are like the perfect snack, and I just wanted to share. So here's one that looks like, I thought it was ready to be picked, but it's not. You'll know they're ready to be picked when they are papery, transparent, and they make this sound. Sound exactly like paper. But on the inside is a nice fruity snack waiting, and I think it's just a perfect snack. So I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna pop one of these open and see what it looks like for those of you who have not seen these. Here are the tomatillos all picked, and look at this, just a nice big bowl of golden ready to eat tomatillos. And I love that paper sound, that rustling sound. Sounds like fall leaves, but that is the sound that you should hear when they're ready to be unwrapped from their natural husk casing. Just a pretty golden yellow, nice ASMR sound. But anyway, these are the beautiful God-made perfect snack. So before we jump into opening one of these beauties, I wanted to share with you this book. So here's a book that I think everybody should have in their kitchen. It's a nutrition facts book. It's really great for just getting detailed information, comprehensive information about calories and, you know, the amount of fat and cholesterol and sodium that are in foods. And so let's take a look at this perfect snack, guys. Up here we have the tomatillo, and we're looking at the serving size. So it's like still in the husk, and we're eating it raw. A half a cup is a serving size, and you have 21 calories in one serving. That is awesome. 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 1 milligram of sodium, which is hardly anything, 1 gram of fiber, and so on. So this is, like I say, just a comprehensive guide, a reference for all types of foods. Every food you can think of, it's in this book. You might want to go check it out. But here we go. Let's go sit down and open some of these gems up, because that's just what they are, gems. Let's pop them open. So I can sit here and just eat all of these, guys, and they're so easy to open. So let's take one. Here you go. You have this. You just want to take the pointy end and you want to just peel it back, and out pops this golden yellow gem. It's so beautiful. I just absolutely love these. Nice and smooth. And because they were in this nice God-made casing, they're ready to eat. They've been protected and there's nothing on them, so you can just pop them in your mouth. And these beautiful golden pieces of perfectly made food has a really unique taste. It's very sweet. It does not taste like a typical red tomato. So if you don't like tomatoes, you might want to give this one a try. It's very sweet. And because it is bursting with juices, it's just filled to the brim with juices. When you pop it in your mouth, you get this nice tight pop when you bite down onto it. And then you get this burst of sweetness. And then there's this other aromatic flavor that you take in that I can't explain, because I've never had anything that tasted like it before, but very delicious. This summer is my first summer having these raw and fresh right off the vine. Before, I've only had them as a verde sauce. But yeah, so here's the sound they make when you put them in your mouth. And like I said, it's just the sweetness, and the flavor is something that I really can't explain, because I've never had that before. And what's so great about these is that when you take off the casing, if you're outside, you can just throw it on the ground. Unlike a plastic wrap or anything, it's just gonna go right back into the earth. Biodegradable, perfect. Isn't that awesome? You're just giving back to the land feeds you and then you give back to it. That's just how God meant for it to be. And the great thing about it is you don't have to worry about calories. You can sit here and eat this entire bowl and just know that you're doing your body good. and you don't have to feel guilty about it. So it does have little small seeds in it, but the seeds are edible. They're very, very tiny, and they give it a little extra crunch. But these will be good in salads. If you just want to sprinkle a few of these on a salad, this will be a great summery salad. Slice up some strawberries, put a few of the tomatillos in there, and your favorite dressing would be perfect. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. So remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you. That means your bodies. Do your body good by eating a nice convenient snack like this. Unlike the convenient snacks at the gas station that are full of preservatives and all those things that are not good for your body, this you don't have to worry about. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you. Have a blessed day and a good rest of your summer, and you'll be hearing from me soon. Love you. Bye.